Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today I am putting on a new screen protector on my Google 7 Pro phone. I have been using this brand and I reordered more screen protectors as I dropped my phone the other night and it did a good job. I wish I still had that to show you. And another one, there was a slight crack, and the third one, there was something on the fingerprint area that I didn't like. But for the most part, I've been happy with this screen protector. I know there's a lot of options out there. There were a couple others I was going to try that I didn't like, but I decided I'm going to go back to this one. I'll be sure to put my referral link to it. So if you are looking for a screen protector and you like what I'm going to share with you, then you could check it out. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is the glass screen protector. And let me go ahead and open this up. And I like the way this kit it comes with, which helps make it easy to put the screen protector on. So you're going to, first of all, you're going to get these wipes. So you get 4 wipes. You get the dust remover. You get this tool if it bubbles up. You got the screen protector installation guide, some more information. You got the cloth for cleaning the glass, and then you've got 3 screen protectors. And this is what I like, is the tool that goes right over the phone, and that makes it for a good experience. And so the other thing too that I like with the screen protector is that it does have a hole, as you can see there, and there we go. So it does have the hole in it for the camera, and it fits perfectly right over the phone, and it even is curved as well, so which I think is also important. And what we're going to do first, and every time I put it on, it's gone on perfectly, so we'll go ahead and use a wet cloth and get that cleaning the glass on the phone. I gather that's glass. There we go. Now we're going to use this little towel, this microfiber towel, or whatever, this dry cloth. I guess it's for like your glasses, for cleaning that and not leaving any fingerprints. So it does a good job there. And it looks like I got all the dust removed. And now I'm going to put this on, and this goes at the top that way. And again, let me just make sure there's no dust. And we'll go ahead, and I don't see any dust on here. We'll take this off, put that on there. It goes on perfect. And look at that, it's on. Now, the thing about this screen protector is it does leave a little bit of a fingerprint area. So when you're using it, you will notice that that fingerprint's going to be there. But so you could see, so if you are watching, let's say you're going to watch a video, you could see how the fingerprint is, actually I'll turn the phone back off a second, but you will see that the fingerprint area there. That's the only thing that bothers me a little bit, but otherwise it seems to work well. See, if I do have my phone off, it does open up the screen. Again, let me try one more time. There you go. Close that up one more time. There you go. So I just had to adjust my finger right here as I'm holding the phone and trying to do this video. So check it out. Again, I think that it's worked well. I do have the Spigen case, and there you go. So no issues there, and it's done a good job protecting my phone. Again, if you could deal with that little circle there, then you'll be okay. If that bothers you, you may not like the screen protector. But again, I'm happy with the screen protector. So you could see it's working fine now. Again, one more time. There we go. So Let me know if you have any questions, and I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.